I got day 2 of the Buck 4-5 challenge put on by HT's EDC, a cool channel. I want to kind of do something different instead of just showing a knife. I'm showing off the Buck 040 Onset, and I'm gonna compare it in a couple of ways to the Civivi Praxis, the big one. The Praxis is a little slower to actuate. The handle weight to blade weight it's awkward. The Onset is awesome. My only problem with it is if I'm not careful, I always slam that blade down on the back of my thumb knuckle. You've got the little stopper there of the flipper can guard you, but I had to think about it. It's a beautiful knife. At $199.99 from the Buck website, and right now they may still be having the 90. They got them going on for $99.99, $100 off from the Buck website. I got the Praxis, the big Praxis, which is typically around $63 at Walmart, and it was, I think, $20 off. 40, just at $40, $23 off for the Praxis. I've used it a little bit, glazing up the blade. It's a fun knife, but like I said, it's not balanced right for the blade. Anyway, I'm gonna check the cutting. They're about the same size knives, blade and body of the knife. The Buck Onset is S45V. Yes, S45VN, vanadium, whatever, Boss heat treat. I haven't tested it too much, but it cuts pretty good. I'll let it slide. Fantastic job of cutting myself. That's interesting. Glides off the angle or the little slope of the blade there. Pretty fun. The Praxis. I have a bunch of these fiber belts. I get the same. I'm letting it slide off, but it cuts pretty good. And I do the same thing every time cutting, but it slices right through it. Oh yeah, getting the style down. Yeah, the Praxis is quite sharp, and the little fiber flying around all over the place. The 040 Onset. Oh yeah, that's the action. A little lead in. Whoop, didn't pass the choil. Yeah, that's cool. I like making trash out of belts. Anyway, it's a little messy, but fun to find out what the cutting edge of the knife will do. Nylon fiber or fabric fiber. Knit belts. Duty belts. Damn. I like the Praxis. I like the blade. The blades are similar. Praxis is a bigger blade overall. Knife body not so much. Fun knives. Yeah, the Buck is my favorite, but it's more expensive, and I have to admit I'm more protective of it in terms of wanting it to be just a collectible. it's a better knife. And I made mention on a Knife Time story post. It was just up there where he brought out talking about the range, Buck's new range models, the 790, 791 range models with the axis lock as opposed to running the flipper lock style with the liner lock or the frame lock design, which I don't mind the frame lock design. I think it's a fine design. And the liner lock on the Civivi. I think Civivi's also going with axis lock button locks now. But the cost per value you get for the new Buck knife just isn't doing it for me. I was hoping they'd come up with a smaller version of this, the Onset with the stainless steel side and the G10 side, and just a slimmed down version of this, maybe a 2 3/4 inch blade, as opposed to a 3.5 inch blade. Civivi makes the mini Praxis, which I have. They're pretty cool. Both of them aren't really pocket carries. You can, but I took off the pocket clips off everything. I don't like the way they feel in my hand, and I don't like the way they carry on the pants. I've got the Civivi Elementum. Now that's a sweet knife. That is kind of like what I was thinking about for the Onset, mini Onset, if they ever came up with something like that. These are about $50, $51, $52. Yeah, the Civivi Elementum is an elegant, medium-sized knife with a G10 scales covering an elegant frame design, truss design. Like my little lament, I was hoping that Buck would have scaled down the Onset model to match this styling. Still pretty cool. There's no bones about the Praxis models. They're budget with some elegance. It's either FRN or G10 scales on a little bit narrower gauge frame for this model. And then of course the bulk side to the Onset, which I like a lot. The Buck 040 Boss S45 VN. Super cool. Yeah. All right. So that's day 2 of my Buck 4.5 experience, matching it up against a couple of EDC mainstays I have. God bless all you knife nuts. Thank you for visiting my channel. Remember that Jesus Christ loves you.